So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the real refresh rate of any screen. Like if you want to check the real refresh rate of your smartphone, the complete range, something else, and if you want to check the real actual in the practical refresh rate, you can do that. Just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for test ufo.com. You can see it's right there. Once you go over there, when you scroll down here, you can see a refresh rate tester have been started, initialized there, where this multiple refresh rates are checked for you, and it will tell you your current refresh rate. You can see my current refresh rate is 144 hertz. My display refresh rate. It will tell you the the real refresh rate. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.